channel. My name is Cecilia, and just before I head off to work, I wanted to share with you my experience that I had with Lashify. This is not a sponsored video, it's a real review, one that I wish I could see so that when I buy things, I know what to expect. So I've used this for a month and I've just bought their Lashify X. I'll explain all of that in just a sec. So the past month, I've only spent the introductory offer, which included all the things that you needed at the start, and I also bought a night bond, which means you can use the lashes for a little bit longer. My opinion after using it for a month is that it's made me feel a lot more comfortable with the lashes throughout the day, and I couldn't go back to the stick-ons that I used to use for photo shoots and whatnot. It felt a lot faker than these ones. These ones feel a lot more natural, and in photos it looks a lot more natural as well. So I've decided to go and try out their membership, which is a lot cheaper. It's $40 a month and you get 4 of these things. I've had 3 and I've used it for a whole month. It says that they are reusable, but what happens is, I'll show you. Every time you use it, you have to clean it, and if you're like me and you're in a rush, you might not be able to, clean it very well. These little things can be reused. I've reused these for quite a while, especially in Asia. On my trip, it was really hot and I was really sweaty. They did not last a second day, but in Australia where it's dry, they do last like quite a few days as long as you press them back on your lashes every day. So you don't have to take it off every day. And if you're very careful and gentle, you can clean these as though you were cleaning your eyelashes with just eye makeup remover, and the gunky glue will come off and you can reuse it over and over again. So I've used these for just over a month, so that's pretty good value. So I was commenting on the YouTube channel and a couple people have privately messaged me and wanted to see what my opinion was and what it looks like. So here's the video for it. I've decided to go and try out the B range. So I've tried the A and a B, and I prefer the B range. Initially when I put it on, I felt like they were too much because I'm not used to using fake lashes very often. But in photos, it looks quite natural. So I've gone to B, which is bold, a little bit thicker. I think they range from A to F. So B is the second thickest one. You can look at the website for more, but I'm gonna go through the B range today, from B10, as in 10 millimeters, to B16, 16 millimeters, and we'll see what I like. So this is what it looks like when it comes. So $40 a month, you get 4 of these. Normally they're $20 each, so you get them for half price, which is pretty good. I'm just gonna go ahead and open all of them. So for contrast, this is what the 10 and the 16 looks like. The 16 looks quite scary now. Oh, I forgot to mention, when it came the first time, when you buy the initial kit, it's a little bit more expensive, but it also comes with this really handy box. And if you strip out all the foam, you can see that you can put all your new eyelashes in here, so you know what to use. But being practical me, I think I'm gonna keep them in here so I can travel with it. So my idea was, all right, let's design the eyelashes. So I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? So pretend this is my eye, and this is the outer corner. This is my nose somewhere here. So what I'm thinking is the 10 will go here. Then we'll have the 14 here, the 16 here, and then 14 and 12. So to give it almost like that kind of look. I don't know if it'll work, but we'll try it out and let's have a go and see what it looks like. So I open up like this. So you don't need scissors for this, which is cool. Oh, this one has like some loose. It's a bit annoying. The really dumb thing about this is the numbers at the bottom. Like seriously, who thought of that? Or am I putting it upside down? Like why? Why would you do that? So Kiki BG, this video is for you because I'm using all the B's, and let's see whether they're worth getting. And thank you to CD Girl for giving me some advice on how to stack them. And thank you, You Can't Have My SN, for answering my questions. These little silicone things go on top and they're called wandoms. I'll let you guess what they mean. So one of the tips that I found from chit-chatting on Instagram is some people like to put the glue on this rather than your eyelashes. But it's really up to you. I'm gonna just try to go bang, bang, bang all of them. So I'm gonna put them on my eyelashes today. Try not to blink too much so it doesn't stick to your bottom lashes before you even apply, like I am now. Definitely don't sneeze, that's the worst thing you can do. Alright, so I've got the 14. Poke it on. Okay, I know that from last time that when I put it on, I was like, ah, I've got spider eyes. But then after I've taken the photos, I was like, hey, it's not bad. I love how it just sticks. So that was 14. Now, as I said, we'll go for 12. Then you do this pinching kind of action. What do you think? I know I feel like I've got spider eyes right now, but once I even out the eyes, it'll look okay. Now, my other tip is, so I'm gonna do the other eye, but I'm gonna show you something that I do if I wanna keep it on for a few days. As you notice, I do wear contact lenses, which means I'm always having water near my eyes, but you can still wear these for a couple of days. And I'll show you how. Get out your night bond and use it as though you were applying normal eyelash glue, you know, the ones that you use for like your strips. So what you can do, especially my outer lashes, they always come off more easily. See if I got this upside down, is to put, I don't know if you can see it, just the tiniest bit on there. That's it, like really, really tiny bit. And that's gonna be like really, really strong hold. There it goes on Lashify website called a Fuse It. You squeeze in motion. The more you squeeze, the more it stays. All right. So to recap, I think I like the bees because I feel like they are fuller and I don't have to put a second layer. Some people like to put 2-3 layers. Some people go with one. I like one that's somewhat natural but somewhat looks like I've put in effort and I look awake when I have these lashes on. I like the idea that I don't have to wash mascara off my face and have panda eyes at night. And I think the glue that I'm cleaning off, it's a lot gentler than waterproof mascara. All I use is this. I really like using this to clean it off. I'll put it on a cotton pad, put on my eye like this, and then just wipe gently, and all my lashes will stick to the cotton pad. It's very easy. It's a lot easier than cleaning waterproof mascara. That's why I really like it. I feel like I'm not damaging or scrubbing my eyes and creating more wrinkles around this area. So it's very, very quick. And don't forget the tip that I found from the other ladies is the night bond. It's really good. It makes it last longer, 2-3 days for me. Sometimes the 4th day when I'm really lazy, I just dab a little night bond. Like I put it on like eyeliner underneath here like that. And then I fuse and then I keep it on for 1 day longer when I'm really lazy to take it out and really lazy to do makeup in the morning. So if you haven't already tried Lashify, this is their monthly subscription. You do need the starter kit that gives you the wand. If you want to get to the starter kit, there is a $20 coupon link down below that you can just type in when you go to Lashify, and it gives you 20 bucks off with the starter kit. So this is a monthly subscription that I'm on. It's a base, it's $40, and I got 4 of these things to use, but I think it will last me a month and a bit with the way I'm using it. If you have any questions, please comment down below and we can have a chit chat about it. I love how everybody's really open and everybody's discussing, and that's how I've learned to use it, and that's how I got really comfortable using it. So this video is for all the ladies that have given me feedback for me to share it to all the ladies that haven't used it before. And yeah, just comment, tell me what you think. Tell me what you think of these on me. It's always really scary to look at yourself in the mirror. Your opinion's always a little bit distorted. And if you want to look at other things that I do, I am a teacher, a baker, and I love doing things for kids party, and I love exploring things. I travel a bit and eat quite a lot. So if you want to see what else I do, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notification. And yeah, chit chat, comment down below. Bye.